Hi, my name's Narelle McKenzie, and I am a practitioner in US taxation, specialising in US international tax. And I actually delight in explaining the US tax rules for non-US people, as well as for US people, of course, through my introduction to US International Corporate Taxation. So we cover the basics of US taxation. I say basics. It's not very basic, obviously, but we go through the concept of double taxation that applies at the US level and what they mean by realised and recognised income, and then how that impacts investors into the United States, i.e. inbound investment, and investing outside the United States, outbound investment. So this structure of this course is very much designed for people who are investing in the United States or are owned by companies that are investing outside the United States, as well as federal income tax. We go through state and local tax we cover, as well as estate tax. We cover those at a higher level. We take a deep dive into federal taxation, but again, it's all about introducing you to US international corporate taxation, which is a world of its own that I delight in sharing with all the attendees at my conferences.